Got some really interesting postcards I want to show you today. Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. Got some really interesting postcards I wanted to share with you this morning. This isn't a very big lot. This is a small lot I purchased off a seller recently. It's about 12 cards. But what it does is the thing that caught my eye was it depicts scenes from like the 50s and 60s of amusement parks in New Jersey. I believe it's Wildwoods, New Jersey. Okay, and I just thought it was very interesting content, so I thought I'd bring it to you. You know, one of the things that's going to set you apart from everybody else is the fact that you have cards that are unique and, you know, depict a different kind of scene. And like I said, what caught my eye on these was the fact that these were amusement parks from like the 50s and 60s. And there's even a real photo postcard mixed in. So, yeah, I'm going to show this to you right now. Okay, the first one here is, this is the Wildwoods by the Sea in New Jersey. And it's a chrome card. Kind of shows the boardwalk there. And that card is unposted. And this one shows a beach scene with roller coasters in the background and the ocean behind it, and a tram in the foreground. Again, the Wildwoods by the Sea. Very, very interesting card. You know, it's an aerial view. I love aerial views. Can't get enough of aerial views because that's kind of a unique perspective. Here's one that's really interesting. This is probably about 1960, I think. In fact, it's post-dated 1966. Shows a carnival and the Ferris wheel and the ocean behind it. Pretty interesting there. And this one is a white border. Okay, and the date on this one is 1931. Very interesting card. Kind of shows the boardwalk there. And here's one this is a little more modern, maybe 60s, 70s, somewhere around there. This one's unposted, but still a great card. Okay. Now this is the RPPC I wanted to tell you about. Now it's unique because it shows a Goodyear sign. It looks like a gas station. It's got some old cars in it. It's a black and white. And here's that one right there. That'll go for some good money. Okay, another white border here. This one looks like it's colorized. It says the Whip and Jack Rabbit, Wildwood, New Jersey. That's probably a roller coaster name, you know, for a ride. They've got some people in the foreground. Very interesting card out of 1922. There's the back of that. And here's a linen card for Wildwood by the Sea. This one's dated 1949. I love linen cards. Can't get enough of those either. Now here's one that's very old. It's from out of 1912, and this actually shows the entrance to Wildwood Crest, which is probably the entrance to the park, maybe. But that one is dated 1912. And this one, this is more of a modern card here. This shows a roller coaster, close-up of a roller coaster, probably around 1970 or so. It's a little bit of a thicker card. It says Raging Waters and Roller Coaster, Wildwood, New Jersey, August 1995. So that's more of a modern card, but still a good card. Now here's one that shows some storefronts, Dairy Queen sign, sporting goods sign, a cabaret, that kind of thing. Looks like it's about 1960 or 1970. This looks like what they call a trimmed card, because it's actually not a 3.5 by 5.5, which is the standard size card. Here's the back of that. As you can see, it's more square. And here's another trim card showing kind of like a water slide in the background there to the back of that building. Same thing here. It's unstandard size and shows kind of a monorail type thing. But yeah, I just thought I'd show those to you. I thought they were very interesting. Like I said, what's going to set you apart is the content of your cards. If you can get unique cards that nobody else has or very few people have, you can sell them for a higher price and everything. But yeah, a couple other things I wanted to show you while we wrap this up is my new hat. Gotta love that. Epic Treasure, that's my brand. I got this from Vistaprint. A lot of you know that's a card company. They started out just doing business cards, but now they've broadened out into everything, pretty much. And I've been with them for years. And this is actually a printed image here on the text. It's not embroidered or anything, but that's okay. I still like it. And I don't know if you noticed in the background, got my little Epic Treasure sign up there. Now, I told you on a previous video I was going to do a neon sign. Well, that's coming. Not sure when, because those signs are a little bit pricey. I think the one I'm looking at cost about $85. But when I get that, I'm going to replace it with that, replace that sign with the neon sign. But I just got a little creative and thought I'd put that out in the background just to show you what's going to kind of look like, give you a preamble. That's what I got for you today. I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, you know the drill. Smash that like button. It helps the channel. I appreciate it. I'm going to go, but you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, and bye for now.